Naomi.
Naomi, what's Daddy have? What does he have? Oh!
Happy heart.
What is that?
Put your baby in the little seat thing.
That's from Lola and Grandpa.
Here, Naomi.
Uh-oh!
Okay. You're gonna break it.
Should we bring the kitchen out?
He's fine.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Nice.
Go get some groceries.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
Oh,
Bang your
ran
baby
into
on
the wall.
That is so cute.
Give her her bottle. Don't poke her eye out.
Oh, she's gonna like that.
Mm-hmm.
Can you turn her around? And go the other way?
Whoa.
How to, huh?
Uh-oh.
Okay, you can't be a mom.
Uh-oh.
You're
Call social services.
Go get it.
Okay.
Okay.
Help.
Time for the big one.
Hold your baby.
Aww.
Oh.
She's like, screw you, baby. I didn't want you in the first place.
Okay, let me get the kitchen.
Okay.
Oops.
Oh, jeez. Uh-oh.
Child abuse.
What's Daddy have?
Uh-oh.
What is it?
Look at that.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's so cool.
Whoa.
Still too short to play with it.
Oh.
You grow into it.
Nay, nay.
Are you gonna cook?
Oh. Wow.
Here, you want to put some?
That
Look at,
is-
oh, there's some
that's
dishes
a
in
nice
there.
That's a nice one.
Oh, look, there's some dishes in there.
Dishwasher.
Now you can stay out of Mommy's
Yeah,
cabinets.
there's something in there. There's the fridge.
Yeah.
That's nice. What you guys think?